gentlemen, as we've all been witnessing through our discussions on the plenary session, where we've had the insights from all business leaders and eminent personalities, taking us through various aspects of how data, AI, and cloud are affecting their own roles within their organizations and their organizations at large. And what is it that business leaders are actually looking forward to incorporating within their strategies and move forward towards reaping the full benefit of data, AI, and cloud, and which is what I call the transformational trifecta. And this transformational trifecta, which is actually leading us to a lot of business transformation, is something that all of us want to leverage and are looking at leveraging in different ways to basically unlock the business impact and drive the kind of outcomes that all of us are looking for. And the way I actually imagine all of this playing in together is our organizations as the Stark Enterprises, and this is for the fans of the MCU, and the trilogy or the trifecta, data, AI, and cloud, actually becoming the Jarvis to our Stark within the organizations. So here's quick insights that we've actually uncovered through surveys and research reports that we've done with business leaders like yourself. And I'd like to quickly take you through a few facts that at strategizing through our reports, what we've been able to uncover is some of the key levers for technology transformation or sustained transformation within organizations. And business leaders have actually given us these insights. And you see that, the top of the chart, with a good 74% business leaders, giving that weightage is cloud computing. And we can also see AI and ML collectively, 50% of leaders have voted for it to be one of the key levers for sustained transformation. And of course, all of this is built on the bedrock of data. Whether you speak about edge, whether you speak about a digital twin, whether you speak about RPA or anything, the bedrock or the foundation for all of this is definitely data. So that's how the entire transformational trifecta comes into picture. If we pay attention to this next slide, here are sentiments from business leaders talking about the top drivers for sustainable transformation. And we can see that a large part of them, which is 64%, equally going to enhancing customer experience, and which is where our marketing leaders actually come into play. And they're doing everything within their rights to enhance this customer experience and deliver hyper-personalized experiences for our customers off the digital edge. And improving cost efficiency, again, takes about 64%, which is where our finance leaders come into play. And 64% of our leaders say that, and this is IT leaders, say that improving cost efficiency is one of the key drivers that they are looking for in terms of transformation. So, total cost optimization and resource optimization is something that we can, look forward to deliver the kind of transformational experience that our leaders want. And then you see that a close follower with 57 and 55% is increasing profitability, which is again something that our CFOs focus upon, and better planning and decision making, which is the ask of the entire board particularly. So that's what this slide encapsulates for all of us. And to actually talk about investments and where they're growing in terms of technology, we have this quadrant where you see current investments on the horizontal axis and the planned future investments on the vertical axis. And if you see our transformational trifecta, they're very much in the progressive and the accelerator quadrant. So data modernization, of course, leading to process automation, AI, and ML, all of them in the progressive quadrant. The size of the dot, ladies and gentlemen, here indicates the size of the investments that organizations are looking at doing in the future. And if you see, public cloud and edge computing, all of them right here playing into infrastructure modernization. This is where the technology fraternity is headed with their investments, and this is what is going to power the transformation that businesses are looking for. So to quickly encapsulate what is happening over the next few years, and all of you who were with us in the plenary track, you must have heard our guest of honor saying that the Indian government looks at the next decade as the decade. So moving to that decade, we're seeing that significant investments in cloud are going to rise, and organizations are moving towards that. Customer experience is actually becoming the front and center of what organizations are planning to do. And that exactly is going to influence the kind of technology that our companies buy or invest in. And of course, lead to the kind of strategy and execution that follows within the technology buying. The S there, I believe, is missing, but we're talking about security becoming the biggest risk management practice. So that tops the chart for all of us, where security is the mainstay of everything that we do around technological transformation. Moving forward to the next one is where digital leaders are totally focusing on facilitating cross-functional collaboration. So that's for the entire board and us as management leaders, playing together as collaborative forces to power this transformation and lead our organizations to success. Of course, data and predictive intelligence are becoming our compasses, pointing us to the north of every chart that we want to top. So that's to encapsulate the study that we've all done at Strategy Inc. and playing into the transformational trifecta. And of